What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva, Crypto Babe. I am back with another one. Back just to give you guys a quick update on this mailbox money system that we got started back in once again. If you're here for the very first time on this Friday, you know what to do. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, for everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, so we're back. Just do a quick update. As you can see on the screen, they have on the left at the bottom down that shows you where folks are requesting kits into the system. That's pretty cool. Alright, so anyway, back just to give you a quick update where we are. The link is in the description. Go check this out. I'm working on me a specific domain for this one. I'm just trying to test around a few things I'm throwing around. I haven't quite put it together yet, but I will have a domain for this one. But right now, just go to that link down in the description if you want to check this thing out. Alright, so I came back and told you guys about this. Oh, before I forget though, some folks have reached out to me and stated they had joined me back in 2019. Okay, guys, all you need to do is reach out to the office, reach out to John and let him know. He should be able to, if you still have a receipt or something that you can show, or just give your name, could probably put you in the system and you won't have to pay again. Just put you back in the system. Okay, so just reach out to him, or if you need an email, reach out to me and I'll send it to you so you can let him know. Okay, so you don't have to pay to get back in. You already paid once. Okay, all right, so awesome. Let's do it. All right, so here's how to get money in your mailbox on autopilot. All right, so this is what we've been talking about, where the company will mail the flyer out for you where you don't have to. So what's going to happen is folks are going to go to your capture page that you're going to get. The company gives you a capture page system. Once people put their name and email in, they're going to come here, watch this video. If they want more information, if they want that sales letter, it will have, like, for example, mine is going to have my ID number on it. It's going to give you all the details about the program. You mail it back in. It's $100 one time, no monthly fees. And you're able to earn on 3 levels $20 instant. It's cash commissions, okay, on 3 tiers. All right, without you having to mail the flyers. Okay, so check this thing out. Let me see if I can get over, hang on a second, to the show page like this. Folks are going to enter their information in, and then they're going to watch that video on the page I just showed you. They're going to request their kit. Okay, they're going to fill out this information here, put in their name, all this information, and the office is going to mail them the kit. Okay, to have your ID on it. So when they mail it back in, that's how the company is going to know who to pay the $20 to. Now, let's take a look. I've received a couple more emails from the company that they've mailed out some more kits on my behalf. Let's check it out. All right, you can see right here, new kit requests, today's kits. Okay, guys, so folks are requesting these kits. And again, let me show you again some previous emails. Like I said, I got started in this back in 2019. Due to the pandemic, they went on a hiatus, they shut down, and they recently came back. But let me just show you some more results from this program that I received when it was actually up and running. Let's check it out. Okay, see right here, this is 2022, 2021-ish. You got cash. That's coming in. Kits going out. It's on the way. Whenever you see it's on the way. And Mr. Carlson, by the way, I saw that email. So if you're still interested in getting started with this program, let me know so I can get that information over. We'll give you the email to the company so you can confirm your account to get your account back up. All right, so right here it says you got cash, you got cash, you got cash. All right, guys, so look at this. All right, so this thing definitely does work. All right, and I've got some strategies I'll be happy to share with you once you get started with me as well. All right, if you take a look here, see, here's my update. As of yesterday, we had 2 more here. We've got 3 going out right here, and it kind of tell you what you would have saved if you had to mail them out. So they're saying you saved $5 if you would have had to mail these out. We've saved you some money. All right, guys, so this thing is getting going here. We're rocking and we're rolling. We're moving forward. All right, so you can definitely go to that link in the description, check it out, get more information. I will also leave in the description, there is a 800 number with some testimonials of some folks that you can listen to and check it out. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.